I don't walk into the office thinking, today I'm going to film me going here, here, here. No, I'm going to shoot whatever the hell we're doing while we're doing it. And then I'm going to try to very creatively put that in a nice story with some good music to move it along. You know what I mean? In your case, the comparison would be, talk about your journey. Look, I'm practicing, I'm working on getting clients. Just honesty. Be honest, be authentic about it. It's really hard. I know that it's hard, but it's what works. So, Young Nails UK today is going to be insanely busy. We're going to try to shoot 3 demo videos with Young Nails UK mentors. We're going to try to fire off a podcast as well. Plus, Tracy's running a contest with the mentor team at the same time, which she's going to be doing Fenty Challenge, right? So basically the nails that Tracy did for the Fenty show, she's gonna show the team inspiration and then have a contest of who comes up with the best creative, right?
Yeah.
The nails, and the winner's gonna get, I think, a brush, maybe some other. We're gonna have like a gift pack for the winner.
We're figuring it out.
We'll figure it out, and then it's also customer day today too, which means we could have anywhere between 80 to 100 customers come visit. We're gonna have multiple stations, demos. It's gonna be super exciting. So it's full, which means we gotta hustle. You ready? No, we're not ready. Morning.
Okay, guys, are we ready to get started? We lost some time, so I wanted to do something fun. I always like a healthy competition, and I thought it would be kind of fun to do a challenge and give you guys a little taste of our world and how it works and how it's a little stressful, and see what you come up with. I'm going to let you guys follow the process, and then we're going to have a Savage Fenty contest. And whoever comes up with the best design wins the precision applicators.
Habib, drum roll.
So the person that wins the 2 gels, because I think it's very beautiful. It would go with all the looks. Plus, it's something we could pump out really quickly. Is this one? Whose is it?
it?
Oh my God, that's mine.
It's really difficult to be able to create this length with one bead of acrylic. But you notice that around my cuticle area, I'm completely like finished. You see the length? Like, to have this kind of control with this size of the brush is absolutely beautiful.
If you noticed on our page, we started posting, we're on Twitter, we started taking our tweets and making them into main feed posts, you know, and it's insane. 4,000 likes, 562 comments. People feel strongly about this, so they're engaging with the page. You know what I mean? And then what this does to our brand, it's locking in people tighter. You know, we're putting, and this was something, we hired a designer recently, and he's like, hey, I made these main feed posts. Do you want to try it? My answer is always yes. It's always yes. You want to try it? Yes. I swear to God, I just had a meeting with him in the other room. That's why I stepped out. He was like, hey, I have some ideas for some of the videos. You want? Yes. You don't have to ask me twice. Yes, I want to try it. Because I know testing shit on the platform, it's not gonna hurt my brand. It's only grown our brand. Still clear, like insane camera angle that
Yeah,
show.
sometimes it was just a little bit not in the center what I was doing, or the background wasn't great, or I've left a brush on the side and I didn't like it, or...
But you still posted. This is fascinating. Like, you still posted.
Yes, that was the fear which I needed to break up and just do it.
And you did.
And I did, and I never had any a bad experience with that.
The one thing I always say is, first question is, have you tried it? Have you tried it? Because I hated video before I started doing it. I didn't want to be in front of a camera. And now when there's a camera, I'm like running towards it, like me. I enjoy it now. I genuinely like doing video now, but I didn't know I liked it. If I did it and then I hated it, right?
Don't knock it till you tried it.
Exactly. Don't knock till you try it. Or to your guys' point, then you can just mute it. You can do overlays. There's a lot of people that don't talk on it, but they're putting out video. But like, you have to try it. Get into the rhythm of posting, pushing that button, post. You know, you see it load. Oh my God, are people gonna like this or not gonna like this? All those things sort of going on in your head. You gotta post. It's a muscle. I'll get questions like, you know, how come I can't grow my Instagram account? Well, I'll look at the account and someone is posting maybe once every 2 days or 3 days or once a week. Maybe they're not incorporating video, they're not experimenting. You have to try things. You know, I'm just a big fan of, that's how I was taught from, you know, we work with a company called VaynerMedia, and it's owned by this gentleman named Gary Vee. Anybody here familiar with Gary Vee? Yeah, so everything that I talk about, everything we do, they're not my ideas. It's just I execute on them hard every single day. And that's what I try to bring and share is like, these things work. You know, I do them every single day. Our company does them every single day. And they really, really work.